Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use a vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble nutrient, so taking it with food helps your body absorb it more effectively. Most supplements recommend taking 1 capsule daily, often providing around 400 international units. Always check the specific product's instructions, as dosages can vary. This simple daily routine can support your overall health and well-being. Vitamin E oil is also fantastic for your skin. To use it topically, simply snip the tip of a soft-gel capsule with clean scissors or a pin. Squeeze out a few drops of the rich oil onto your fingertips. Gently massage this oil into areas like scars, stretch marks, or very dry skin. It's best applied at night, allowing it to deeply nourish your skin while you sleep. A little goes a long way, so use sparingly. Beyond skin, vitamin E can also benefit your hair and scalp. You can mix the oil from 1 or 2 capsules with a tablespoon of a carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba oil. Apply this blend to your scalp, gently massaging it to stimulate circulation. Then, work it through the lengths of your hair, especially focusing on dry ends. Let it sit for about 30 to 60 minutes before washing it out with your regular shampoo and conditioner. Don't forget your nails and cuticles. Vitamin E oil is excellent for strengthening brittle nails and softening dry cuticles. Simply snip open a capsule and apply a very small drop of the oil to each nail bed and surrounding cuticle area. Gently massage it in for about 1 minute per nail. Doing this regularly, perhaps 2 or 3 times a week, can significantly improve the appearance and health of your nails, making them less prone to breakage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.